Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Telegram token. First, open your Telegram application and search for BotFather in the search bar. BotFather is the official bot that helps you manage your Telegram bots. Once you find it, click on it to start a chat. Then, type /start to initiate the conversation. This will display a list of commands you can use to create and manage your bots. To create your new bot, send the command /newbot to BotFather. It will then ask you for a name for your bot. This is the display name users will see. After that, you'll need to choose a unique username for your bot. Remember, this username must end with bot and be unique across all of Telegram. Once you provide a valid username, BotFather will generate your unique API token. Congratulations! BotFather will now provide you with your HTTP API token. This long string of characters is crucial for authenticating your bot. Treat this token like a password. Never share it publicly or commit it to version control. You will use this token in your code or applications to send and receive messages through the Telegram bot API. It's your bot's key to interacting with the Telegram ecosystem. If you ever suspect your token has been exposed, you can easily regenerate it using BotFather's /revoke command. This creates a new token and invalidates the old one, ensuring your bot's security. Now that you have your token, you can start developing your bot's functionality. Dive into the Telegram bot API documentation to discover all the powerful features available. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.